Hello guys, welcome back to the Ogara's family. Today we're starting the video when I'm in the middle of the farm, and yeah, we've come here to find some vegetables. And you know what, I won't continue without introducing my guy, my Mr. Ogara. Yeah. So we are here.
My heart is melting.
Why?
Do the introduction again, Mr.
My guy, my man, my person, my G. Yeah, so we are here and we were just walking around checking on how things are going on in the farm, and then we just realized these vegetables, commonly known as miro or mito, I don't know how you call it in your language, they're just zinazeka. How do you say kuzeka in English?
They are getting
old, you know, and people are not taking it. They are not
harvesting them.
So we decided, why not? It's a very good meal, a very delicious one for that matter. So I decided to harvest a little. That will just be enough for me and my boo. And yeah, we go with it at home. So apparently my man does not know how to do
You've uprooted the all of it from the roots.
This one was weak. That's why. You don't know how to harvest this. I'm trying to teach you in the door and I know.
You've asked me to hold the camera.
Well, you'd have tried to at least harvest this.
The issue is, I don't know which is which. I might harvest a weed.
You have a problem with your eyes? Okay. After cooking, whoa, people will start calling me to cook for them this veggies meal, because it's gonna be yummy.
So guys, this banana plantation.
You have sweet banana.
Yeah, this is a sweet banana. Which one? This one. Is it ready?
Yeah, this one is ready, but
the blackjacks here.
Sweet banana, but this one is ready.
This is not a sweet banana.
It's not a sweet banana, but it's ready.
This one is, right?
Yeah, that one is a sweet banana.
So this one is a sweet banana, almost ready. Yeah, that's a goat. He gave birth recently. The kid is the other side. Let me zoom. That's the kid. Same color as the mother.
Yeah, it looks good. It's so beautiful.
So there's another kid, but the mother is somewhere on the other end.
Babe,
Say,
ones of goats have a name. I don't know what the name is.
the name is a kid.
No.
It's a kid.
Kid?
Yes, a young one of a goat is a kid.
K-I-D?
Yes.
I didn't know.
Now you know.
Are you for real?
Now you know.
No.
If you don't know, you know.
Okay.
More plantation on the other side. So guys, the other house, we are neighbors, but I feel like they normally come and harvest our food.
Veggies, our fruit.
Yes, I think they do. So I'm not sure if we'll be able to get a fence to fence that place. Okay. Oh, there's another goat this other side. This one is a male one. This is a male one. Say hi.
Hi.
Surprised?
You want it to beat you up?
It can't beat me up. How? I'll slaughter it. That's enough. Let's go.
Let me eat it. Is this enough?
Yeah, it's enough.
It's not like you're going to have it for a day only. You're going to throw it in the freezer after cooking.
It's enough. Let's go.
Two more.
One. Last one. too. Enough. You've
Let's go.
gone beyond, above and beyond.
So this can be mixed with either cowpeas or mrenda. Mrenda is is a type of vegetable that is very slimy. Very slimy.
Slimy, slippery.
What you're gonna use, but either way you can still have it without additional. But I love it with kunde, which is cowpeas.
With cowpeas.
Yeah.
So guys, these are
Groundnuts.
groundnuts.
They've
Are
not
they?
matured yet.
Oh, so I can't harvest like one just to show.
I don't know. Let's try. Maybe this one. Let's try and see. Yeah.
Oh, it was not ready.
Yeah, not yet, but it's almost.
Let's return it.
In a month's time. But I doubt if it will continue to grow.
So let's go with it. Bring.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I will be mad at her.
She won't. At least she'll know it's about to mature.
Okay. So yeah, the breeze here in the village is so good.
So these are maize. This is the second season
Yeah. And it's doing
of the year.
so. We also have beans.
Yeah, these are beans.
Look at the pods. Yeah. These ones are not ready yet.
Yeah. How long does beans take to mature?
I'm not sure, but about 3 months.
3 or 2? I think it's 2.
2.
Yeah, they mature faster than maize.
2 unless it's water beans.
The GMO one,
Yes. Otherwise, these others take 3.
the organic.
Akila.
What is Loha? Loha is a place.
They're called like that.
Oh, okay.
Types of beans are made. There's Wahaha, there's Roskoko, there's Wairimo, there's black beans, yellow beans. They are low. Yep. Yeah, I'm so excited. But then the results is gonna be so fun. You'll see. You can go there, mommy. Thank you.
We have cows. These are cows. These ones are blue. No, don't do any harm. Hey, ready to run. Okay, guys.
Okay. So guys, I am here and I am going to show you how you prepare these vegetables. Right from where they are right now to washing to cooking them. I'm gonna show you how it's done until we get the final product of these very vegetables. So I've just sent a baby to go get
What's that? Oh, it's an insect. Is that insect or something?
It is. Look at it. Yeah.
No, be nice.
You fear that a small thing, babe? Yes. So this is how it's done. I don't know if it's a belief or it's true. People say that when you're preparing these vegetables, you're not supposed to use your nails.
Oh, nails. Okay.
Your nails, because the vegetables will be bitter. You're just supposed to use the tips of your fingers, but not the nails. Yeah. And then you also make sure that you only get the leaves. Some people get it like this. No, it's so wrong. You're only supposed to get the leaves. Don't mind my nail, it broke.
We'll fix it. You need to do pedicure and manicure.
Yeah. just that these things are harmless unless they are big. They cause sins. I sent someone to bring me a basin. Surely they're taking so long. Lydia, simsaidie beseni ndogo ama kitu nidondole mboga.
It's coming to rain.
Yeah, it's coming to rain. It's so gloomy outside already. Yeah, and then we also have another a hen that we're supposed to get from here, from the village to our home. So hunting should begin.
Hunting,
Are you
chasing.
gonna hunt it? Are you gonna chase it?
It will be hard.
Why? Why you say? Why are you so confident that it's not gonna be hard?
It's a hen, not a rooster. Okay, guys.
Yeah, we'll show you the end product.
Tell them the outro.
Oh, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video up until this moment. We love you so much, and we're looking forward to doing more
Hey, is this cow?
more interactive content with you guys. Look at this cow. Jeez, this is what it wants. This is what it wants. You see? So nothing is a waste here.
So you're saying something before you are rudely interrupted?
Yeah, so I was saying thank you so much for tuning in to watch our video. We love you so much. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed, that is. Share this video to your friends. Let people see how village life is, and just fun, and us being us, you know. Yeah, so up until next time, what do you tell them, babe?
Subscribe. See you again. See you around. Comment.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
That was so close.
Jeez.
Okay, see you guys.